Sciences Po.
In some, affirmative action measures are controversial because they send both inspiring and disturbing messages. Affirmative action and the disparate impact concept have potential to lessen substantive inequality, to foster diversity, and promote the economic and social well-being of people raised in unprivileged communities. But they also generate opposition, charges that they unfairly discriminate against individuals not personally responsible for society's transgressions. I do not downplay the opposition, but balancing the pros and cons, I subscribe to what Justice O'Connor wrote in the Michigan Law School case. To cultivate leaders with legitimacy in the eyes of the citizenry, the path to leadership must be visibly open to talented individuals of every race and ethnicity. Effective participation by members of minority groups and women in the civil life of our nation is essential if the dream of one nation individual is to be realized. We will all profit from a more diverse, inclusive society, understanding, accommodating, even celebrating our differences while pulling together for the common good.
Sciences Po.